from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Republic of the Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write function overloading in C++. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started, guys. So I'm using dev C++ as my C++ compiler and text editor, so we can write the code sharp include iostream sharp include stdlib.h for we will using this function standard library header file to use the post function in DOS or in Windows using name space std. Let's say for example we create a class test public, meaning it can be seen throughout our program. Void display, it will not return a value, but it will display a message. Function \t horizontal tab function welcome to C++. Next, void display. By this time we pass a parameter x. Again, console out x. Okay, next. The next step is to close our class. So we have here int main, the starting point of our program execution, test obj as our object. We will have here a title, function overloading in C++. We will call the function obj display. Maybe we can add new line here. Next, obj function again display. By this time we put a value of 100. End of program. Okay, so after we have done, let me explain first this library file for input output, and then here I forgot to use system pause. Okay, so we will create here folder function overloading that's cpp. Do not forget to include the extension cpp. Overloading is the file name, .cpp is the extension. Click save. So we have here the function that will display a message on the screen, welcome to C++. Now take note, there is no passing parameter, and then the second is another function. They have the same name, that's why it is overloading, but this time we are being a parameter of x, it will display the value of x. So here we have here the title of our program, function overloading in C++, test, calling the class test, and then we create an object obj. So obj, and then we call the function display. This one, it will display message, and then another display method, and then we pass a value of 100. So when we compile our program to check for syntax error, no error. When we run, so we have here the result. Let me make some changes. Compile again. No error when we run. So we have here the result, function overloading in C++. Welcome to C++ 100, and a program. Press any key to continue using this command system pause, and thus which we are allowed by using this library file. Here we go, guys. We have already done writing a demonstration program that demonstrate how to declare function overloading in C++. Before we end this video tutorial, I would like to say thank you very much for all my subscribers, my new followers in my channel. I hope that you have learned something new in this video tutorial. In Tagalog, maraming salamat po. In Ilonggo, madamo gid nga salamat for all the support, comments, and suggestions to make our channel beneficial to others in the community who wants to learn about computer programming, technology in general sense. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next tutorial video, bye bye for now.